Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Morgan coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, January 22nd, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 33 degrees and afternoon snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls won last night against the Cavaliers with a score of 104-88. Clubs meeting today are Rube Goldberg Club Grade 6 will meet today at 11:15 in room 212. 5th grade band buddies will meet at 12:15 in the Fuse Lab. PBIS ambassadors will not meet tomorrow morning. Art Studio Apprentices, Red Group, will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in the art room. Puzzle Club Session 1 will meet tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. in room 101. Today's announcements are, today is special lunch day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy Fritos. Tonight is the 5th and 6th grade band concert at Keller. Please be there at 6:30. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by room 211. Have a Thomas the Tank Engine Tuesday!